Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. My name is Muhammad Abdullah Muhtasim, and today I am going to show you an amazing science experiment. So first of all, for this experiment we need a piece of paper, some iron powders, and a magnet.
Why don't you give them those chairs so that they could get a little upper to see?
First of all, okay. Well, you can see that iron actually attracted the sides of the magnet, but not these sides.
Yeah, why?
The reason is it is actually actually at the sides, in the poles of the magnets actually have more power than the middle sides.
Yeah, remove all those.
Okay.
Yeah, remove all those. Every bit. And now from far, try to attract this way. So you see, still in the middle, it's not attracting. The
Yeah.
sides are attracting, right?
Yes.
You see. Here, can you show it again? Remove all those.
Do you see?
Yeah. Now try to magnify this. Yeah. Hold from up, little bit up.
Well, in this case, you can see it's still attracting the poles.
So why it's happening?
It's happening because the magnets at every pole has the stronger attraction power than the middle sides.
What are the names of those poles?
This is the south pole and this is the north pole.
Does it help in any other way?
Yes,
Uh-huh.
it can help you in a compass.
Mm-hmm.
Because whenever you hang it always shows the north and the south.
Mm-hmm.
So you can simply figure out what the east and the west
If you're
is.
lost, you
Yeah.
find the way. Have you ever got lost and used the magnets?
Yes.
So I would like to ask you a question. Why the iron powders are in that shape, like that butterfly shape? These are called what?
These are called the magnetic fields.
Magnetic field. Very good.
Magnetic field,
Excellent.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you
That
so
was
much.
really good.
Everyone clap for our Abdul.